भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरक्षिते नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीसर्वपिताकामिक राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। सप्तकाञ्चन गौरांगी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि प्रियम्। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसीदेवै प्रियावै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्ते करे देवी सत्तवत्सै नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वप्रथम मेरे गुरुवार
Nitya Lila Pravista Om Vishnupad Astrotosad Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Lila Pravista Om Vishnupad Astrotosad Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj Abhay Charan I pay my Dandavad Koti Koti Dandavad Pranam. And then after Nitya Lila Pravista Om Vishnupad Astrotosad Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Swami Maharaj and all the Vaishnavas, Mahatrivinda, all the mothers, all the friends. Please accept my Dandavad Pranam. We are we've been reciting chapter 10, Canto 10 of Srimad Bhagavatam. In this material world, they want to do, before they do any work, if they do any work, they want to know what is the fruit, what will we get, what will be our benefit. So guy, you buy a cow, you got a cow, and if you take care of the cow, you buy the cow, then you will think about it, what I'm buying this cow, what will I benefit from it? First you think, okay, I'll get gobar. Fuel. And from kanda, rasoi ki fuel. That. Also, second thing is, so our main aim is that we've got a cow, so we will get milk. So people buy cow so that they can get milk from the cow. Otherwise, why spend money to buy the cow? So this would be in this material world, whatever one does, whatever work one does, first what will happen into their mind, what is my benefit? Or how much profit I will get, or what is my benefit? That's what they will think about. Whatever work they do, they will always think about the profit? What is the profit I'm going to, what is my gains? But in this Ras Leela, which we are speaking about, so what will we get benefit?
भगवान थे तो अपने गोपियों के साथ प्रेम बिहार आदि के रास किया उससे उसकी कथा को सुन करके हमें क्या मिलेगा?
So he did ras. Why should we listen to it? What benefit would we get? Yes, this question would arise.
भगवान थे 300 करोड़ गोपियों के साथ उन्हें प्रेम बिहार आदि की
The gopis, Krishna did all the prem bihari with the gopis. Everyone knows, even everybody knows the Ras Katha in Vrindavan. There are many different rasas. All the rasas that meet, that is called Ras. Ananda Utsav. There will be Ananda Utsav. There will be Anand in your heart. That is called Ras. But for sadhak, what if we listen to the Ras Katha, what will we benefit? What will we benefit? What will we get out of it as a sadhak? The doubts that we have in our heart, what will happen? They will be resolved. We will have no doubts. All the doubts will be resolved. In one slok, he is given out. In one slok, it's explained that what is the benefit of listening to Ras Leela. So there are people who say, we know we are not qualified to listen to Ras Katha, so we don't want to listen. So some people will say that, okay, Krishna did this Ras Leela, what's that to do with me? So many doubts, many questions will come into our heart. Srila Sukadeva Goswami in the presence of Pariksit Maharaj, he recited this slok.
श्रद्धानिको अनुसुन्नात् अथवा वर्ण्यस्य भक्तिं परायण भगवती प्रतिरब्ध कामं हीनरोगं आदु अभिरुचि अचिरेण प्रियम्. इस कथा को हम काल भी इसको मैं
I spoke that katha yesterday. I spoke
ये ब्रजदेवियों के साथ कृष्ण जो बिहार
that Krishna does the Ras Bihari with the gopis. The intelligent person with Shraddha will listen from a Mahabhagavat or Gurudev. And he will have, then the bhakti will arise in his heart. And also in his heart, Pratik Jad means material desires like calm and all the desires that's in material desires that's in his heart will also be abolished or destroyed. Krishna has many in the middle of the necklace. That necklace, that bandle will like glorify that necklace. So like Krishna has many leelas. Ananta, innumerable leelas he has. Krishna has many leelas, innumerable leelas. Dasya, Saksha, Vatsalya. These leelas are by performing all these different leelas, he causes anand in people's heart. He also relishes it, and he also lets the bhaktas to relish it. Chaitanya Charitamrita.
Krishna Rasik Shekhar.
Krishna is Rashik Shekhar.
The topmost cornerstone. और आनंद रस प्रेम रस भक्ति के हृदय में प्रवेश करके ही वो असर करते हैं। तो प्रेम रस
he gives his prema ras in the sadhak's heart, the essence of prem. The topmost ras of the prem is it is Radhaji. That topmost prem of ras is in Radhaji's heart. Madana ka Mahabhav. It only is in Radhika's heart. Nobody else has that. That ras, Krishna, in Krishna Leela, even he cannot relish it. Even Krishna cannot relish it. He relished all the rasa. He relishes all the rasa. He relishes all the rases. But that ras, that Radharani has, that she has not that. So, Bhauma Lila, after the end of Bhauma Lila, and then end of the Dwapar Yuga, and he goes back to the Golok Vrindavan, Krishna started to think that I have tasted all the rasas, but the ras that Radharani relishes, that jewel she has in her heart, this is the ras, this relish is, that's a Swarup. Shri Radha Pranay Mahima. What has she got? What that Radharani has? That love that Radharani has, that love for me, what is it? Sneh, Man, Bhav, Mahabhav, Ruda, Adiruda, Moha, Madano, or Madanaka Mahabhav, Akarsha. That bhav that Radha is in Radhika's heart is that is the one I haven't tasted it, I haven't relished it. That everybody, that Rupa, everybody, I can attract everyone from my fragrance, and also from the Rup. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishna Das Kaviraj is saying the fragrance that emanates from my body intoxicates the people. But the fragrance that emanates from the Radhika, and that when she comes, when I can smell that fragrance, then I cannot remain still myself. Prabhupada Saraswati is saying, what can you say? In Mahaprabhu Leela, Prabhupada Saraswati Bhatt. He said, in whichever direction the Radha is in, I am paying the pranam to that direction. In that direction where Radharani is Madhusudan Krishna. Even the Lord Brahma and the Devatas is very rare. In Brahma's Hridaya, Krishna. He doesn't prakash his lotus feet in Brahma's heart. No, he doesn't do that. Even Rupa Goswami Padi said, even the Brahmaji said, Brahma's heart is so pure and so pure. Even he sits in his asana and his deep meditation, and he aradhana, he meditates on Bhagwan, but in his heart in his asana
कभी
or
कृष्ण अपने नवचंद्रमा के प्रकाश करते हैं, कभी नहीं करते.
sometimes he does the prakash in the effulgence that from his toenails in Brahma's heart, but not all the time. And sometimes he doesn't. So it is that Krishna. What is he doing? He is telling the Pavan Dev, the wind. Hey, he's telling the wind, hey wind, you are your life is success. Why? That because the smell, the fragrance that's emanated from Radhaji's coming out from Radhaji's glass, and with the wind you are blowing that cloth. And so I am saying that you have done, that you are, your life is success. When Radha and Krishna meet, when Radhaji is man in Haituki man, and she leaves Krishna, and Krishna is pacifying her, tries to pacify her, but it's Haituki man, it's Durjan man. That Durjan man, Krishna cannot pacify her. Even I said before, Krishna's Bansi, this flute that Krishna attracts all the gopis. By playing the flute, Krishna attracts all the gopis. He attracts all the gopis by playing his flute. But also played. How can the Bansi fail? Whatever all the astra, the flute, Bansi, all the possessions that Krishna has, all the things that Krishna has, which is the topmost is the flute. Only in Braj, Gurudev said, Krishna only holds a flute in the Braj. He doesn't hold a flute in Dwarka or Mathura. In the Braj, the gopis have that Krishna has to have Bansi. He has to play the flute to attract these gopis. If Prabhupada Goswami is saying that, but Radhaji left, right? Radhaji left in Man, and even the Krishna's flute could not help. That also didn't help her. Even that, if you hear the flute of the sound of the flute, then that also didn't pacify Krishna or Radhika. Radhaji said, some said, you think you can pacify my mind, Roy. So she put cotton. So she put cotton in her ears. So she's not going to hear the flute, the music from the flute. So both the ears she put cotton. If she can hear the flute of the Venugit, then so she didn't want to listen to the flute. The sound of the flute, she didn't want to let power. There's so much Shakti, there's so much power in this flute. When Krishna plays this flute, there's so much Shakti and power. Even in front of your husbands. Like, it's like here he's saying Guru, when a Guru gets hold of his disciples and he gets hold of them and keeps them here. So just like this flute is so powerful, it's got so much Shakti. So what did Radhaji do? She didn't want to hear this flute, so she put the cotton in her ears. And where is she standing? Where is she standing? She's standing on the other side of the Radha Kund, and Krishna is very sad.
और राधा जी जब खड़ी हुई है, देखो,
Radha is standing there.
उस समय हवा झुक की हवा,
There's pavan, the hawa, the wind.
राधा जी के अंचल
The
पे क्या
wind
कर रही है?
is blowing. It's blowing the Radhika's anchal, that cloth.
खेल रही है। वही स्त्री यदि मनोवती हो जाए,
Then Radha,
उनके हाथ में लगाना माने सांप के ऊपर हाथ लगाना, हाथ में, हाँ, बिल्कुल लोग कैसे हो जाए, कोबरा की भांति हो जाए।
when Gurudev is saying, when the lady gets really angry, then line.
इतने समय 100 मीटर तक वो व्यक्ति हमारे अंदर में आई
Like for example, if they say, if the police will put around something, if that person comes within that area, and they're banned to come in that area, they're so niyam, like the regulations in foreign country are so strict that if that person comes in that area, then the police would arrest him. So like here, Radhaji is just standing there. Radhaji is standing on the other side of the Radha Kund, and the pavan is what? The wind. The wind is playing with the anchal, like up and down.
और पवन देव की सेठ कृष्ण कह रहे हैं, कृष्ण तुम धन्य हो, पवन देव।
Pavan Dev, so Krishna is telling the Pavan, hey, you are very success, that her body fragrance is on this cloth. And what are you doing? The Pavan is bringing that a fragrance from her cloth, from Radha's cloth to Krishna. And when Krishna is telling the wind, hey wind, your life is very successful. That even people get intoxicated with my smell, my fragrance of. But when I smell this fragrance of Radhika, what can I say? That I get completely intoxicated. So what bhav has this Radhaji got in her heart? That I'm topmost, I'm Bhagwan, that she also plays with me, plays in my heart. So which prem that is in her heart? What is this mahima in her heart? Nobody's spoken about this. So Radha Pranamai. Krishna is saying, what beauty I have, that Radharani is shocked that she just stares at me, that what beauty does Radhika see me? Like Charte, you are tasting, she's tasting with the eyes. We taste, we lick something from our tongue, with our tongue. But you have to lick with the eyes as well, you have to taste with the eyes as well. That Rupa Madhurya. So Krishna is thinking, what is my Madhurya Rup? What is the beauty that I have? That Srimati Radhika is just staring at it. And the third is when she relishes my Madhurya. What is the anand that she is tasting? What is the anand that even me, Ashray, Vishray,
समझना संभव नहीं है।
Like Krishna is Vishaya.
ये जो
And
आनंद
this ashray is Radhika. This ashray Vigrati is Radhika. That Radhika is that relishing this prem. So what did Krishna do? Krishna stole his three vows. One, Radha Kanti's complexion, and he appeared as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Navadip Dham. That's Rashik Sekha Krishna is given prema.
अब हम लोग बस बात वस्तु में आ जाए, विषय वस्तु में आ जाए। ये कृष्ण की ये जो रास क्रीड़ा
That Ras Krida that we are listening to this Katha.
इस फलश्रुति में भी हम आलोचना कर रहे हैं। ये विकृतम ब्रजबधू निगम च विष्णु।
Sukadeva Goswami Padi said, Hey Maharaj, Hey Parikshit Maharaj,
विशेष रूप में
Vishishra Kirtam.
The same Krishna,
The Swayam Krishna,
ब्रजगोपियों के साथ विश्व के राधाजी के साथ जो
when he's playing with play the Leelas with
यहाँ पर
Braj Gopi, especially Radhika,
शब्द के द्वारा बहुवचन करके बता रहे हैं। ये समस्त ब्रजगोपियों के साथ
that he played with all the gopis.
पर भी संस्कृत में बहुवचन लगाया जाता है।
Bahu hai, means Bahu Bachan means the wife. You know, Bahu means the wife. When the husband, Bahu Bachan. Bahu means somebody else's wife. That Krishna is doing Ras Bihari. What is it? Brajavadu Bahu. Then one that Bihar Radhi that he did with Radhika is Krishna Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is saying Tika Braja Bahu Vivai, somebody who is married. Striya, ladies who are married is called Bahu. Dulan, bride. Vadhu, the one married lady is called Vadhu. So the gopis, that means what is it? The gopis were others' wife. They were not, they didn't marry Krishna. Actually, it's not in the Shastra. Shastra condemns that to have Leela with married women. For the Dharma, when Krishna came in this world to establish the Dharma, why? Then why is he doing this Eshe Prem in Ekant, with this other's wife? Then what is this benefit to the society? Parikshit Maharaj said, if I am qualified to listen to you, please. Swayam Krishna said in the Bhagavad Gita, I come. It's contradictory because he says that I come here to establish the dharma.
सगत प्राणम कुटे लोकस्तम अनुवर्तते। गीता की वचन है। शस्त्र व्यक्ति जिस मार्ग में चलते हैं और अनुयायी व्यक्ति उसी तो चलेगा।
So Acharya, the top, the leader, if the leader is following, then the followers will follow, right? What the leader is doing, then the followers will follow what the leader is doing. So what is the kalyan for the samaj when Krishna is having this leela with the other's wife?
इसको भी उत्तर भी सुंदर रूप में
The Sukadeva Goswami Pad is given a very good answer to it.
तो अभी हम जिस कथा में हम प्रसंग में आ रहे क्योंकि प्रसंग में क्या हट करके हम जाना नहीं चाहते थोड़ा बच्चा हैं
पूछा
कितने बार तो बोला और रोज बोलेंगे एक ही कथा ये गोपियां कौन थी
Gopis were they were manifestation of Gopi. So who are these gopis? Gopis are expansions of Krishna. Like a child who is playing with his own shadow. So like that, Krishna is playing with his gopis. Because the gopis are from his own prakash.
विकृतम भजन विष्णु श्रद्धान्वित जिनका देखो इस कथा को जो है
इस कथा
ब्रजदेवियों के साथ है इसमें जो ब्रजदेवियों की कहानी पर ही दो शब्द आपने एक अनुरा होता है एक
अनुराग
परोड़ा होता है
परोड़ा एंड अनुराग
अनुरा और
अनुरा and परोड़ा
Anura
means they didn't even married. Paroda means who got married. The gopis who were married. They were married. Paroda. And this is another katha. These gopis didn't have any children. These gopis didn't have because so you see Bhagavad
अनेक श्लोक जो है इसमें एक विशेष वैशिष्ट हमारे आचार्य महाराज दिखाया अधिकार के अनुसार को समझने का प्रयास करेंगे
who is not qualified will ask the questions.
गोपियों की किसी प्रकार जो है
These gopis
अपने पतियों के साथ
that these gopis they had no relationship with their husbands, so how can they have children?
यहाँ तो भी वो समय तो गोपियों के स्त्री धर्मोत्तर भी नहीं हो और इससे अधिक क्या हो उत्तरपन्ना कहाँ से
Yes, so they didn't have any relationship, so how can they have children?
चल रहा है ये इसका हमारे टीकाकार कहते हैं अपने जेठानी
when they say when the gopis are saying that they have got their children, when they are talking about like they look after their jetanis, they like their daughter-in-laws, sister-in-laws children as their own. So that's the gopis said. Yes, gopis. What he said, what Krishna said, that if the gopis